Are you already nervous? Are you already nervous? You know Islam. You do live streams on Islam.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me ask you a simple question. Yeah. I can show you multiple moral teachings from the Bible, from Jesus, which makes terrible people good. Can you show me one moral teaching that is in the Quran which would make an evil person good? If you can cite one example of a person who has become good after having become a Muslim, recorded in the Quran, or any other substantial moral teaching which changes a terrible man good, that would be lovely. What's your name, by the way?
My name's Islam Hakim, but
Hakim, yeah, please. One moral teaching in the Quran. You do live streams.
but that doesn't mean I want to talk to you.
Now, do you have an answer? One moral teaching in the Quran that will make a terrible person good.
Well, they can take their shahada.
Taking Shahada, they become nutters, go around chopping other people's heads off. How does that make a terrible
You
person
see,
good?
this is your bad faith tactics and your manipulative, and this is why I don't want to talk to you and neither does anyone else.
Hakim, please listen. Hakim, don't. No, that's not good. Hakim, you do live streams. Please.
To you is
one
your
moral
religion, and
teaching.
to me is mine. Leave me alone.
One moral teaching that will make a terrible person good. One. No moral teaching. Look, that's a gentleman who does live streams in Dawa Foolishness channel. This one. Hey, Mr. Fontaine, please come here. Don't be afraid. I'm here. Please. Hey. Mr. Fontaine, what is going on here?
Oh, your book.
Oh, here's a book.
Yeah, that's a book. Yeah. About the Islamic dilemma.
Sure. Mr. Fontaine.
I come to him, he don't want to debate me. That's what he do.
Hey, John. Lovely to see you. How are you doing?
Let him
He's a
pass.
funny guy.
That's the reason why
Are
he
you-
just call
You
him
know we
dog.
don't debate you.
Say again.
We don't
Why
engage
you
with
want
you
to
You
debate
don't
the
engage
Muslim
me.
apologetic?
Why not?
because you're
Why
very
you want to
aggressive.
debate the Muslim
I'm very
apologetic?
aggressive. Are you
Why
kidding
you
me?
don't want to
Don't
debate
look at him. He's
Muslim
not going to help you.
apologetic?
He's not going
Why
to.
you don't want to debate
John,
me?
please
Let's
say-
debate, let's
He
debate.
went viral last time, do you remember?
No, we all go viral because of people like you. You
I
give
know.
funny comments, funny ideas all the time. John, please.
Have a nice day.
Don't go with him. No, John, please don't run away.
Have a nice day.
No, John, please don't run away. Don't listen to him.
From chicken like you.
John, please don't run away. Don't run away, John. What's happening with John? John, are you learning from him? John, I'm here.
Why you don't want to debate me?
John, I'm
Why
here.
you don't
No.
want to debate Muslim apologetic?
John, are you
have to
learning?
Choose anyone. Pick
Are
one.
you learning apologetics from Shame Dawa? Are you learning apologetics from Shame Dawa? John, I'm here, John. Don't go around Kaaba. This is not Kaaba. Don't go around this.
He wrote a book, by the way, Arif. He wrote a book
What?
about the Islamic dilemma.
Please, John, please come in. Say again. I don't want to do what? John, I'm here. Don't be John. Did you come here just to watch from the watch what's happening? Hey, don't harass me, please. I'm speaking to you. You're harassing me right now. John, please come. So what do we do?
What happened?
John, you are here. I am here. What do we do? Please come.
What happened with it?
Come here. Mr. Fontaine.
Look.
Hey, no, not interested. Look, not interested. Mouse, please not. No, chief. Now, good to see you, please. Now,
Okay, debate.
he is terrified as well. Please, please.
He wants to speak
He's
to you.
here.
Him, he is a confused man. He doesn't know how to have a conversation. Now, please come. Mr. Fontaine.
You exposed yourself.
Mr. Fontaine.
We know your tactic.
Please come here. Hey, how are you
Why
doing?
they want to debate you?
John, don't run away scared.
He's here.
Don't run away scared.
He's here.
John,
Why are you scared?
come on.
Why are you scared? He's here in front of you.
Him,
Yeah.
mental ailment.
You,
Mental ailment at early stage. This one. Early stage.
Early stage.
Early stage.
Why?
If you want to help him right away. If you let this progress a bit, terrible things would happen. Don't. Now look at him. He is a bit confused. So Mr. John Fontaine has run away. Yeah, John has run away. Any other Muslim Dawa Mafia gang ringleader? Lovely to see you. Lovely to see you, brother. Hey, lovely to see you. God's blessings. God's blessing. Any other Dawa Mafia gang ringleaders? Hello, sir. You, sir. You know the Quran. You're a Muslim. You're not Muslim. Confused.
Yeah, Muslim.
You're a Muslim, yeah. So you, sir. Paul, you're here. Now, thankfully.
I'm busy talking to someone.
Busy. Is that the, so? After 10 seconds, you're going to accuse me of harassment.
I'm you talking to someone?
Sure, sure. After you're done, maybe.
No, never.
Never?
Never.
Why not?
Because you are you, that's why.
Because I am me. And you are. The interesting thing is, you are also you.
That's the thing about Paul. If you catch him on his lies, he just walks away.
He just walks away. So, what does Paul do as a profession? Does he deal with Islam?
Because obviously he has no respect for people.
Say again. You said I am me, and that is a problem, and you are respecting me. You're running away right now. So, Paul Williams, again, another hopeless case. Mr. Fontaine, a hopeless case. He has run away.
No, they're not equivalent to
It's zero without isnad.
the
difference.
They are not comparable to the hadith. They're comparable to the seerah
With no isnad.
with no isnad.
It's weaker. It's nothing.
What is weak?
Our fabricated
John, what is weak?
are stronger than the entirety of their scripture.
What is strong and what is weak?
Do you see my point? So look, Habib,
John, are you weak or are you strong?
Islam, we do not need them. Yeah? We don't need them. They're for us, you know? We
Say
have
again.
the Quran and the Sunnah, and that establishes all of our history, it establishes all of our theology, it establishes our economics, it establishes our family life, it establishes everything in creation. What do we need?
Well, you need a little bit of sense.
And it's the same thing.
I'm not begging. Oh no, look at him. He is scared. Learn to be scared of him.
Let's go away. Man.
Why are you angry, John?
Let's go away.
You're English, you're angry. Are you angry? Are you angry also? John, are you angry also? I expected.
Don't speak to me.
Why not?
Don't mention my name.
Why not?
Because I've made it clear that I don't want to speak to you.
So I can't mention your
Don't
name.
speak to me. Don't
So if I
don't
mention,
mention my name.
if I mention
it's
your name,
harassment, I'll defend myself. That's what I'll do. Yeah.
so if I
You
mention
won.
your
You
name,
won.
if I mention your name, it's harassment.
On camera, you've been told.
So this is Mr. Fontaine. Mr. Fontaine is agreeing that he is terrified. He is terrified and he is going to defend himself. Why is he going to defend himself? After showing up at Speaker's Corner. Now he is closing in there, moving away. Very simply because he is seeing someone approaching him, asking him or intending to have a conversation about Islam as a threat. That's how he is perceiving it. Why would it be a threat to Mr. Fontaine? Someone trying to approach him and intending to engage in a conversation. The threat is he will be exposed rather soon and he will lose his profession. He will lose his livelihood. And so I understand. I have a little bit of empathy. And the empathy, John, please don't be terrified. I have it on camera. I have it on camera. I have it on camera. I have it on camera that you're terrified. So thank you very much.